How to manage safety check settings on your iPhone. If you want to review or manage who has access to your information and devices, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and tap on Safety Check. Here, you'll see two options, Emergency Reset and Manage Sharing and Access. Tap Emergency Reset if you want to immediately stop sharing your information with all people and apps. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Or tap Manage Sharing and Access if you want to review and customize who can access your information, shared locations, and connected devices. Follow the prompts to update your sharing permissions, review the devices signed into your Apple account, and make any changes you want. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.